I'm Marissa, and let's draw an Among Us crewmate, and it's going to be a Valentine. The first step we're going to take is to draw the curve that goes around and down, just like that. Now we're going to make a curve in for a foot, and then up for the leg. Now let's go across. We're going to go down, just like that. We're going to go out, and then back up. Stop right about here because we're going to put our visor in the middle, and it's just a big round oval. So go around and around and stop. We're going to put a curved line that goes down and in, just like that. Now let's put a cute curl that goes around and up. Same thing on the other side. Kind of looks like a little spring that goes around, around, and up. Let's put the sweetheart candies. It's just a big heart that connects to the spring. So go down and make a curve like that. Now I'm going to use that line and go up, around, and in. Same thing on the other side. We're going to make a heart. My heart is going to be pointed outwards like this. And then make another curve out and in. Now when you color it in, you can make your sweetheart candies say anything you want. Mine is going to say "You're sus," but you can put "Love you," whatever you want for your Valentine. Let's color it in. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye.